as you can see, today we are going to work with break and continue. We will see how break and continue will be there in C programming, and it is available in other programmings also, like Java, like Python, like C#. So the concept is same in other programmings also. So break is a keyword, continue is also a keyword. First thing you have to always remember, the both are keywords. Keywords are the words which are reserved words in the programmings. We can't make them capital, we can't change them, we have to name it as it is. First we will work with break. Break will use for coming out from loop or any condition or like that. So we will see with the program. So for example, if I say I have one program of natural number series, so I say int, I can declare it here also, int I is equals to 1. I put it like this, I say less than equals to 10, and I say I plus plus. We know that how we are going to work with the looping and all. So if I just say printf here and I say %d with the slash n, %d with the slash n, and I've used a variable I. So if I say what will be the output for the program, the output will be the natural number series from 1 to 10. That means it will display you 1 to 10. So yes, that will be the output for a program. Yes, we can see the output is there, exactly what we want. But we are working with break and continue. So we will see if I'm using like this. If I say if I is equals to 5, then break it. So if I say if inside the if loop, generally the break is used for switch, for looping. Yes, so I say if I is equals to 5, and then I put this message, remember this, and I say break here. I'm saying break. What does it mean? It means that I is equals to 1, then it has to be checked for I is equals to 5. It is not there, so it will print I. Otherwise second, then it will check with this 5, it will go to this level. So the loop will continue till the condition is not for the if satisfied. So that means if you say what will be the output, output will be the 1, then it will new line 2, then 3, then 4. When the 5 will be there, and I'm saying if I is equals to 5, that is break. That means it will come out from the loop. That means in this case you have to always remember it will come out from loop. That means it will exit from the loop, and it will, if we had print something outside the loop, then we can also see that. We will just go through it, and we will just say click on the play button, and we will see whether our output is there. Yeah, we have done something wrong, because we know whatever we have to do other than the programming, we have to put them in a comments. So I had made this mistake for it. So yes, just go with it and just see the program is 1 2 3 4. That means now my loop is coming out if the condition is 5. It is not necessary to put the comparison operator only. You can put any condition here. If I say if I is greater than 5, that means this time it will include the 5 also, but it will not include 6 7 8, because they are greater than 5. So it will display 1 2 3 4 5 up to 5 also, because my condition is greater than 5. This is clear? That is, break is used for coming out from the loop. Now instead of break, if I am using continue, if I say okay, now I just want to work with continue, what does it mean? It will come out or it will do something else. So we will take the first condition as it is. We were taking the equal sign. So this time I'm not saying break it, I'm saying continue. So you have to remember, continue is doing one more thing. One main terminology is related to it, that is bypass. It is bypassing the particular condition, bypassing the condition. Whatever the condition is, it will bypass. What does it mean? It means it will exclude only the 5, and rest of the numbers it will print. That means when I reach to 1, it will print 1 2 3 4, and when it be 5, it will not print the 5, it will say continue, and then it will go to the 6, then 7, then 8. That's the reason we say bypass, like the bypass routes are there. So we say bypass. Now we can see the output 1 2 3 4, and it is not giving me the particular 6 here and 5, and it is giving 6 7 and 8. Is that clear? We can put another condition also, like we had to use greater than. If I say I want to bypass which are greater than 5, that means it will not print the values which are greater than 5, because we have to bypass the things. So we are saying whatever the values are greater than, you need not to print them. This is one another thing. Now if I say like this, if I say I percent 5 is double equals to 0, that means the numbers which are divisible by 5, you have to print them. So what are the two numbers? 5 is there and 10 is there, so it will print only two numbers instead of printing 1 2 3 like that, because we just say bypass, so it will go with the 5 is not there and 10 is not there, so it is judging the two particular values. So if I say not equals to here, if I say which are not equals to, so it will bypass the two and then it will display you the particular two thing. So here it is saying something token is missing, expression something, why it should not go with this. I percent 5 which is not equals to, maybe that is one of the thing, it is not, particularly compare. Okay, yeah, I have done the wrong one, because I have put double equal sign, but it should be one single, because single not equals to, that will make sense. Now if I just try to run the code, I'll get the particular, so I'm saying not, that's the reason I'm getting 5 and 10. In this way, if you want to check, you say which are equals to, so I'm bypassing what, the numbers which are divisible by 2, that means this time I'm getting the odd number series, because it is bypassing the even numbers. So now I get the odd number series 1 3 5 7 9, and in this way, if you want that it should give you the even number series, that time it is bypassing the odd numbers. See, if you just go with this, so in this way you can use the continue and break, depends on the developer requirement, depends on your project where you are going to work with break and continue. I think this is clear to you. If you really like my videos, put a thumbs up, share with your friends, subscribe my channel. I'll meet you in the next chapter of programming. Thank you for watching.